Servus und hello, welcome to this new vlog where I tell you all about my business and how it's going. Today is a very good day. Today is Thursday, no Tuesday, the 23rd of November, and I got some happy messages today. As you may know, I mainly sell on eBay. The Ends and Oddities website is finally live, and you can expect some sales in the coming future. In Germany with eBay you have to enter certain bits of information for them to make sure that you're legally allowed to sell product. The thing is, it's all in a form. You had to put something that's referred to as the Handelsregisternummer, which is the Handelsregister is like a place where all companies have a dedicated number with some information attached to that, and I don't have that because I'm very small, and so I don't have that yet. And it required me earlier to put in something. I couldn't leave it blank, so I just put in a number that somehow referred to me, and obviously that's wrong. And it asked me to correct my information, and I didn't know what it was because it was a machine process, like some bit of code went over that and saw, this doesn't match, please update. And I did that back and forth for 3 times. It takes 2 or 3 days to do that. I don't know why. The code should be done in 20 seconds. Then made them call me. Didn't find the solution. Called again. Figured out what was wrong. And then it finally worked. And so now I have the 135 euros that were sitting at eBay will now be transferred to me, so I can finally go on with my business and make some purchases for Christmas season, because I am terrified. Especially because I found out, after reaching out to the Elegoo support team, which is lovely, that the issue for my Saturn is that the motherboard of it is somehow broken and they will send me a new one. The thing is, I need a working printer right now because half of Germany orders on a Sunday and then orders tons. I have these cobblestone bases for sale, and some guy just thought hey, I'm just going to order 8 sets, and here's me trying to fulfill all the orders. It will probably be late today. This is pretty sad, but I can't change it. Also, the wobbling Master Pro is just a matter of adjusting some screws. I will do that with you right now. Got another thing, that my Dragon is still clogged to shit. I can see light through it, but I cannot put filament through it. I've ordered some parts so I can rebuild the V6 that was in there, because the Artillery Genius currently has the V6, but that doesn't work because I think a motor, a driver, is dead for the extruder. So I ordered a new one for that. So in high hopes I will have a working printer soon, so I can give my buddy his Ender 3 back, which was a blast to deal with. It didn't have any issues with being enclosed. It was wonderful. After reaching out to Elegoo, they said to just unscrew the bottom panel and then readjust the screws in the back. So to unscrew the bottom panel, we just need to unscrew these 2 screws and these 2 screws. Now we can take this off. So we need to tighten these screws. Oh, these were loose. It seems like the bottom ones are the ones that are not tight anymore. Okay. Now this is as solid as ever again. Now I just need to put the back panel back on, which is fairly easy. Pushes it to place, and then you just need to screw it in. I'm done with the washing of the bases. I will show you this in a second. The Mars has delivered again. These are 20 60mm bases, printed almost perfectly on a $180 machine. So it is me again. I managed to film more than twice in a week for the vlog, and that's why, that's because there's a certain printer that works again. And yeah, what can I say? Earlier he finished the print, and now I will show you all the greatness that I managed to achieve and put into this printer. Don't forget some resin. The past few days have been really difficult because people keep buying difficult shit that I don't have in stock, and it's really, it's good in a way, but also it's kind of stressful. This is the print that I did overnight. It's dust filament grass green PTG, and I'm so goddamn happy that this works again. So we got grass green PTG, very smooth surface, and it's shiny like PTG always is. The filament is a little wet because it's been sitting over there. Get it on camera, but what you can see there is a V6, a normal heater block, and a V6 nozzle. And that's because I took the Dragon out because it was being bitchy and I seriously need a printer to print things with. Yeah, because the SV03 generally worked, or works. Obviously, this was a 10-hour overnight print and I had no issues so far. No, that's a lie. Like, on the first print, I first printed one of these just single, and now I printed a dual thing. And on the first print it randomly stopped, but then I started it again and it finished. As you can see, I also put some glue. It's very hard to see with the generous light, but there's some glue on the bottom just to make it stick better. The satin is the motherboard. Haven't heard anything, but I'm sure it will arrive here soon. Sometimes the support just says, yeah, we're going to send you motherboard. They have my shipping details because I have like a signature at the bottom of my business email, and that includes my telephone number and my address and such things. I hope it will arrive soon, and so I can keep printing. One more thing is that I printed this T-Rex with a little print fail. I think I need to beef up the supports down there a bit more. But I printed this T-Rex for my friend Steven, who lent me his Ender 3 so I can print my Vorum parts, which was very nice of him. And he said he wanted to print a T-Rex soon with his Ender, but I took care of that. I would also give him one of the bases, because he's also my DM, so kind of serves a purpose. Now I have decided not to swap filaments now, but to print a really big thing. I'm going to print, I have these boxes, I will show a picture right here, and I will print 6 of them in one go. This will take more than 2 days, roughly, and this will be the biggest print that the SV03 has done since being converted to Clipper. So in preparation for that, put glue stick down all over the bed. No, my Trittstift is empty. So this will be a big endeavor, but I'm looking forward to it. I will keep you all updated on my Twitter. And that is all I have for you today for this weekly vlog. Just as a side note, I originally guessed about 100 euros of revenue per month, but we are already over that. So the shop is going well, especially when I get to ordering the bases from Ali and then get them distributed here. Looking forward to it. I will see you all in the next video. I hope you print something and that you have no print failures. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.